It is a rainy day out. I wanted to be able to get out and do some work, but it seems like every time I've got a little bit of time to get out and do a little work, it rains. For some crazy, crazy reason, it just rains. So, I gotta do something. Gotta do something different. So what am I gonna do? I don't know. It's rainy outside. It's really, really rainy out there. What am I going to do? One thing I have done is several years back, I went and bought what do they call that? It's a rain suit. This one happens to be a Frog Togs Pro Light rain suit. It's got the jacket and the pants to go with it. It's breathable, waterproof, and wind-resistant fabric. PVC-free design. Lightweight. Anyway, it's got a nice little sack for it to go in. I've never even opened it. So I think what I'm going to do today is I'm going to put this thing on, and I guess I'm going to put on a fashion show and model it for you. But anyway, I'm going to put on my clothes that I normally wear when I go outside and do work, and then I'm going to put this on over that and get my rubber boots and go outside and do some work. All right, set that there. So I got my pants and my shirt that I normally wear. Well, different t-shirt this time because the other one's really, really dirty. I'm going to throw those on and then put that on and do a fashion show. Definitely going to wear my ball cap with it. This thing right here comes in a nice little pouch. I've never had it open. This is my first time getting this out of here. You can see it in there. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. Set that over. So it's got, this looks like the pants. Yeah, look at that. Good, it's got big legs, so hopefully those legs will fit over my boots, my rubber boots. But look at that, it's not kind of a nice, it's not really thick or anything, but it's kind of got like a rubbery, thin rubbery part on the outside, and then that on the inside. It's got a little drawstring thing here so that it can pull and fit tightly around you. I got the size medium/large because I wasn't quite sure with the manufacturer exactly how this would turn out. And this is the jacket part. Let me unfold this. There we go. Good size. Nice. Look at the size of that. Oh, I just noticed. It's got pockets. And it's got little zippers on the pocket. So you can put stuff in there, I guess. Oh, look at that. Almost goes all the way across. Check that out. And then there's another one on this side here. And these are called Frog Togs. Then at the bottom here, on each side, it's got a little drawstring so you can draw it in tight around your waist if you choose to. It's got this nice little cap cover. It's got its own little drawstring thing on it as well. You pull it down tight around your face, and it's got buttons and a zipper. So let me all right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my cap on. Then I'm going to grab these britches. I'm just going to go ahead and throw these britches on over the clothes that I've got on. Old man's having a hard time pulling his leg up. They're going fairly easy. They just kind of feel weird, that's all. Yeah, sorry. There's no pockets in the pants. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this jacket on. Yeah, it's got the elastic around there. Look at that. So zip it up. Zip it up. Where's the little button? Oh, there it is. Button it up. The buttons fit pretty good. And then bring this up over that like that. You can pull it tight if you want to, but I'm gonna leave it like this. All right. So, what do you think? Let's go down. Let me get my boots on. This is my Frog Tog Pro Light rain suit. What do you think? And of course I've got my rubber boots here. These are the Dunlap big rubber boots that I always wear. So put those on. Ooh, look at that. Looks like the pants are going to fit over here. So I'm going to put my regular pants into the boots. And then this over the boots. Can you see that? See how it fits? Put my regular pants on the inside of the boots. And then the rain suit on the outside of the boots. Check that out. What do you think? Think I'm ready to go? I'm ready to go. Put my glasses on. Hopefully that'll keep the rain off my glasses. What do you think? All right, let's go outside. So, I was so busy trying to keep myself dry that I totally forgot about my cell phone. But I'm gonna film and do my fashion show for you. Right now, the only thing getting wet is my hands. It seems to be working pretty good. Well, my cell phone's kind of getting wet too. These are plants that we need to get planted. We need to get them into the gardens. I'm not doing this today, but we will. They got a little waterlogged here. I'll be turning some of that water off later. But these are all little plants that we need to get in the garden. Some of them are already trying to go to seed. Some of them decided not to grow very well. The bugs kind of got to them. And some others are just not coming on at all. But we'll get there. We'll get it going. Go out here and show you my garden. Ooh, there's water flowing off down here. And now it's muddy, but look at my feet. Woohoo! All right. So, this garden, we haven't come along with this garden as well as we thought we would. But we got some greens growing in here. These are my turnips. They all went to seed and seeds fell. If you notice down along the edges here, right, those are all little tiny turnip plants because seeds have been falling down. So there's like hundreds of little tiny plants growing in different spots. And if you look down in there, you see all these little tiny plants. Those things are, well, some of them are little trees, but most of them in there are tiny, tiny little turnips. And if each one of those turnips gets as big as these, this thing's gonna be chock full of them. And over here we got some potatoes and peas and our onions. But anyway, part of me doing this today was just to kind of show you my rain suit. Keep me dry when I'm out here working in the rain doing stuff. Because I've really got a lot to do, and I think this rain suit's going to come in really handy. I've got some potatoes out here I need to plant. It's been sitting in the house for a long time. I've got different varieties. I've got some red potatoes, and I got, those are giant honking potatoes. Those down there are little white fingerlings or whatever. And they're red potatoes, and some more normal Idaho potatoes. And I'm going to be filling in a couple of these raised beds through here. Filling in with more organic material and compost stuff that we've done, and more bags of compost and dirt and sand and other odds and ends. Kind of get us a good mixture of different stuff. And hopefully I can get potatoes going. And we've also got all the plants and the other things, little planters that I showed you that we need to get out here. And but anyway, just thought I'd, kind of let you know what I'm up against with all this rain and all the weirdness in the weather. I mean, it's weird, but it's not weird. It's like on my work days when I go to work, I'm not always here. I don't always have the time to come out here and do the work that I need to do, like mow the yard, work in the garden, take care of the animals, do other odds and ends and stuff like that. But this rain suit's really going to help. Now, really, I'm liking it. It feels good. There's no moisture getting into my boots. My clothes are staying dry. And I was going to walk over there and check on the ducks are loving it out there. Maybe you can see the ducks over there. Can you see the ducks over there? Oh, they're kind of like right there. But they're loving it out there in the rain.